YouTubelicious. Hi, what's up? That's what's up. My neighborhood. Boys. B-I-R-D-S. Boys. Normally, say this this time of year, the Canadian geese are just like, what? That's not my point. Now the new up and coming bird, don't call it a comeback. Yeah, they're making a comeback. Who? Robins. Rockin' Robin. Yep, the birds, robins with the red belly. Ah, yeah. They're making a comeback, man. I don't know. How do we? Horniest bird ever. Every day I go walking in my part of town. It's a freaking robin orgy. Yeah. And they're talking to each other, right? Of course I'd like to ruffle your feathers. You've got very nice plumage. Thank you. Well, okay then. That's, I guess, the way they're chirping. That's their sex noises also. So many robins. Where are they all coming from? There's like 20 or like so many. All you little robins do behind closed doors is up to you. Now, I don't know if they have condoms for robins. Or, you know what, I don't even care. Because they're cute. They're not like the Canadian geese who are like, get away from my kid. They're all hissing and shit and have little hissy fits. They're very territorial. One chased me one time. He did this like Karate Kid shit like this in the air. Embarrassing. And there's me. No! Fuck off! Fuck off! Robins don't pull that shit. Robins are like, hey, what's up? I just got laid last night. Hear that? Couch is squeaking. Anyways, so if you robins want to use this couch, you go right ahead and to your little heart's content. Yeah, Robin's getting busy. Buddy's getting some. Tap that ass, birdies. Gonna work on my twizzle, my tweets. Needs practice. Anyways, yeah. So who's actually seen robins doing it? Because that would explain how they're all. What do they take a day to get born? So much for 9 months. Anyways, yeah. The robin population here is crazy. Or cray-cray. It's still a thing. This whole cray-cray thing. Anyways, yeah. Keep it up, robins.